Welcome, dear friends. Today we are going to learn about the modern innovation of educational technology, that is augmented reality. You know very well, we are suffering a lot to make our students more interested in our classrooms. And now we are moving through online classrooms where we have to make them more interactive. So, augmented reality is the best idea to make them learn more interestingly in our online classrooms. So, in this video, I would like to give 5 important applications with the demonstration how to use augmented reality in our classroom from the lower section to the higher classes. So, 5 important tools are there. Don't forget to watch all videos up to the end. Then only you will get the detailed explanation regarding how to bring 3D animated forms without much knowledge of 3D animation technology in our classroom. It is very easy. If you learn how to use these 5 tools, you can be the superstar before your students. So don't hesitate to watch all the sections. It will give clear cut explanation regarding all the steps, how to install the application, how to open the animation, how to use in the classroom. It is detailedly explained, so I'm not taking more time of you. Just go through the video, each and every section. Make a master of augmented reality in your classroom. So, if you are interested in my video, don't forget to support me by watching the whole videos of my channel and sharing this video with your friends. Each teacher, there is no subject differentiation. Every teacher can use augmented reality in our classroom. So, be a researcher, do and watch the video in complete. Thank you so much for your support up to this time. So, watch from the first application. Thank you so much.
Welcome, dear friends. So, we are going to learn how to bring augmented reality in our classroom. The first application, FX Guru, is the application. So, I would like to install the application from Google Play Store. So, we have to install the application. Just click FX Guru. FX Guru, you will get the application like this. So already I have installed the application. So we will get colorful experience from this application. So don't forget the steps. First you have to go through the Google Play Store. Write there FX Guru, search it, open the application after installation. So here I am going to open the application FX Guru. It is one of the simplest application. Without any training, we can bring augmented reality in our classroom. Actually, this application is used in high quality English 3D animated movies, and it will give opportunity to teachers also bring some colorful animations in our classroom. So don't forget, listen all the simple steps up to the end of the video. I am presenting 5 applications, how to use 5 augmented reality application that can be used easily in your classroom. So remember, first one is FX Guru. So after installation, just open the application. One more thing I would like to say, it is available only for 20 seconds recording, but it will give 20 seconds colorful experience. So just press the start button. Here lot of animations are given. we have to choose one thing I would like to remind you. Actually, it is a paid application. Most of the applications are paid on. When we are paying, they will give lot of colorful animations. Just look at this earthquake, machine gun, console, dog, lots of animated images or videos, 3D videos are here. We can bring a lot of animations. Normally they will pay in a package, they will pay around 20 animated images up to rupees 700. Indian rupees 700 we can collect it. But every day they will give one free animation for everyone. We can use the animation for free. So just look at here, free today. Free today. That indicates that animation is free today for using. So just how I would like to explain how to purchase the images. Just click on particular image, then we can download. Press the download button. Here they will explain the effect. What is the price of effect? So for just click here, one effect is rupees 54.29. But if you want to purchase 6, there will be 15% discount. And also if we purchase 82 effects, maximum effect, we will get it for rupees 690. I would like to continue with the trial version. So just click free today. I am again telling, in free version we can use the option for 3 times. We can take the video 3 times. Already I have used one animation. So just click here, again click on the window in the central area. Then the image is opening, and means the animation effect is opening. So after opening, again click on the central area. So this is the animation today. Press on the start button. So after selecting, press on the start button. So here it is how to open it. We have to know. So the area, we have to select the area. The teacher should be placed in front of the camera. So I have to be in front of the camera. Just look at how it is working. So I am not going to come in front of, just I am placing my hand in front of the camera. Just look at here. Then press the start. Now it is recording. I have to remember it will be available for 20 seconds, but will give a different colorful experience for you. Now it is recording. Automatically it will record. We have to look at so 20 seconds we have to look at. Then when we are interested to stop, we can finish it. Just press the finish button. Now it is converting the effect into video. Just press OK. Here we can select the quality of the video. Just I have clicked the medium or high. I just selected the high quality. Again press the OK button. Now the video is rendering. They are converting the total video into animated one. Just wait for just seconds. So with all these simple steps, we can bring superb colorful experience in the classroom. So the video is ready. Just look at how it is working. Press the play button. a small video, but it will give colorful experience. We have to be on particular area. We are going to familiarize assembler. So like the same, we have to move to the Play Store and we have to install the application assembler. So I have already installed it. It is multi-usable application. You have to install the second one, this one. So remember, it is giving different opportunities, like we can express the concept in 3D image, or we can use the augmented reality. So going to the application, so just look at here, the application is here, just open it. There will be a little lag for opening the characters. First of all, we have to learn more about augmented reality and the 3D image presentation. So in this, we are selecting as the same what I have expressed in other application. Here we have to select characters. I think lots of different characters are available here, like animals, architecture, education related contents are different. We can express more animated experience to our children. We can express the content in the form of stories. Education related contents are a lot, and characters, technology related concepts are there, entertainment concepts are there, art related concepts are there, cultural aspects are there. First of all, I would like to give a small explanation, example regarding how it works. So I am opening this one. Here we will get the view in 3D as well as AR, augmented reality. Suppose I would like to choose AR, just click view AR. Then we will get the option augmented reality, but just wait. The file is downloading now. So after loading the file, like the same, we have to place the particular camera. Just click OK. So now it is going to work. We have to place the object. Just look at here. They are giving some tips regarding how to use it. They are giving how to move the application. This is regarding the natural scene. An animal, elephant is there. Gives a natural view regarding the concept. Some more animals are there. And on the top, we can view the same in 3D mode. 3D mode. Look at here. The animals, just rotate with your finger. So we will get soon the animated view, the whole view regarding. Look at here, wonderful. So it will give animated 3D image. The blue button, 3 options are there. Game mode is there. First one is 3D mode. Second one is AR mode. When we press the AR mode on the top, just look at here. It is the 3D mode. The second one is the AR mode. So it will give the opportunity to view the concept in 3D mode. We can explain all the concept like the same. So lot of categories are available in this application. Please open all the characters from here and try to learn how to use it. So view 3D, when we are pressing the view 3D, it will move to the option Dear friends, we are moving to the third application of augmented reality, that is Safari Central AR. Safari Central AR. So, first of all, like the same, you have to go to Play Store, then click here Safari Central AR, augmented reality. So already I have installed the application. This one you have to install, Safari Central Wildlife AR. Lot of applications are there. Animal Safari AR, another application you can install, but I think that will support only in few mobiles like a Samsung, iPhone, etc. But the same experience we can bring to our children through this application also. So already I have installed this application. First of all, I would like to open it. So remember Safari Central AR. So this is the application. Wow, super! Lot of animated items are here. So we have to open each application. Before that, I would like to say some guidelines. Actually, this application is paid on, but we can use free of cost with some options. So normally we need one image of US dollar. US dollar we need one image, maybe in our mobile or in laptop, or sometimes it will work with the support of other type of branded supporters they have. So remember, we have to keep on image of dollar, US dollar. So first of all, I am selecting on image. So tiger I have selected. So the animation augmented reality is loading. So I had placed on image of dollar. Here it is the explanation. We have to keep on currency of dollar, or we have to touch in with their partners. But it is very simple. You just keep on image of dollar in mobile or in laptop, or you just take a print of on dollar. Okay, then click got it and press continue. Again continue. Just look at here. One tiger is sitting in front of my laptop. I had opened on image of dollar. Here it is. So we can bring the originality. Now it is moving. How it is moving? The teacher should be on behind of the tiger. So we can move. Just give one location. It will come there. And after that they will sit. Like this we can bring augmented reality in classroom also. Next I would like to bring elephant in the classroom. Like the same, keep the mobile camera in front of the dollar. Wow, one elephant is here. So we have to plan it very clearly where the object should be. Now it is moving on the top of my room. So we can bring in this way augmented reality with the support of this Safari application. Next I would like to choose another one, deer. So welcome man. That also moving. So what a different, colorful, motivating experience for our children. They will go wherever. So we can move, we can increase the size also. Just make a movement with your finger. It will come wherever you want. Friends, the next application is AR Lupa. AR Lupa. So it gives more than the FX Guru, we can bring lot of advanced topics in the classroom. Most usable for all type of teachers from the KG level to the higher level. They can use all type of important topics with the support of augmented reality. So here, I think the advanced topic is Corona, COVID-19. So COVID-19 also included in AR Lupa. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to go through Google Play Store. Just search here AR Lupa. AR Lupa. AR stands for Animated Reality. So this is the application AR Lupa, AR Camera, Magic Camp, 3D Scale and Preview. So from this, we can bring lot of more than thousands of realities, animated realities. So first, already I have installed the application, so I would like to go to the application directly. So here it is AR Lupa. Just open the application, and it is one of the user-friendly application. So I would like to bring the application with the support of the different opportunities available. So we can bring animals in the classroom. Colorful animals are here. So a lot of categories are there. As I said, we can bring Corona, COVID-19. The latest topic is here. So whatever it may be, we have to choose. For the history classes, a lot of different concepts they included. Then in science classrooms also, they can bring a lot of different concepts in front of the children with the help of augmented reality. So first of all, I would like to explain how to use the animals. Simple concept, like the same. Virtual tours also available. We can bring the students to different areas, virtual tour. So first I would like to start from animals. So just go to the category animals. So you can select one animal. I would like to bring and interested on tiger. So after going through the category, click animals, select one animal. Just press on the animal image. Now it is loading. They are bringing the image or the 3D animation in front of us. Just look at here. Now it is loading. Wow, the animal is here. Wow. How? Now it is in my hand. Huh? Now it is in my hand. We can place here wherever we want. Just with a finger, simple finger, we can move here and there. Super image we can bring. Oh, so teacher should be behind the animal. So in front of the camera, teacher have to be here there. Then we can explain with the clear-cut images. We can just swipe it. We can increase the size. We can move to any area, rotate. So it is very simple, no need of learning more technology. It's very simple to learn this concept. So remember, I would like to present one more thing. Every time just remember how to bring this concept. So within seconds we will get, wow, dinosaur. So a lot of teachers are bringing all these ideas. I would like to present one more animal, the most interested for me, that is elephant. Two elephants are there. Yes, this one colorful animation. So don't forget, all these steps are very interesting one. So colorful animals we can bring. Simple swiping, just using two fingers you can increase the size of the animal. Then we can present it with the support of all these. I think AR Lupa is one of the best application that brings this much augmented reality with a lot of opportunities. So what is virtual tour? Just click at the virtual tour option, select on particular, I would like to present on 360 panorama. Just click at the option, each and image, just choose on how. Here also we can reduce the size. We can explain about the image by image, not an image, it is moving animation. I think it is very clear with this one. Lot of opportunities are there, just seconds needed to bring the application. Sometimes depending upon the video, actually it is moving. One thing is there. Now it is moving. It shows the different parts of that particular country. Look at this. So plan what is the position of the teacher, where teacher have to stand, then teacher can explain in detail all these things. Just one fingertip is needed to increase the size and everything. So this application is most suitable for all categories of teachers. You can bring all type of animated, augmented reality in front of the children. I would like to present last one thing. You know very well in history this type of concepts are very important. We can give detailed explanation without preparing normal type of models. We need bulk time to prepare 3D models in front of the children. But within seconds we can bring the 3D animated models. How? We can give more explanation. We can give the detailed explanation regarding this. So it is one of the applications. So I would like to give suggestion. One more thing, we can take images here. Just press on this button. We will get the opportunity. We can convert these presentations, the teacher's presentation, into video. Just click at the video mode. But one advice I would like to give: the video mode. In video mode, only seconds opportunity we will get. But now I am recording all these things with the support of another mobile application, that is screen recorder. Screen recorder is the another application I am using to record what is happening in the display of my camera. So teacher should be behind the camera and we can record what is happening in front of the camera. Okay. So also just pressing the camera icon, we can convert all these things into image. Just press the camera option, then save. Automatically it will go to the saving option. But the recording video, it is a free application, but we can use secretly with a small intellectual idea. We can use the video also. We can record the video also with the support of video recorders. Screen recorder application you have to install in your mobile. Normally teachers know how to use the screen recorders. Now also I am recording the video with the support of screen recorder. So it will be very easy to explain this concept in front of you. So hope this application is very easy for you. So remember, it involves, they are updating every time with the advanced topics also. Just look at the corona. We can bring maximum detailed explanation regarding the concept corona in front of the children. So a teacher should be in back of that concept and we can give detailed explanation moving here and there. So plan it, we have to plan on stage particularly for expressing our views. It will give maximum detailed colorful explanation for your students. Don't forget to use it. So this is the another application for bringing augmented reality in Welcome dear friends. The next application for augmented reality is Holo. So we have to install the application from Play Store. So Holo, this is the application HOLO, holograms for videos in augmented reality. Augmented reality. So I had already installed the application. Just install the application, then open the application. We can also bring different forms of augmented reality in classroom. Here it is a Holo. Click the Holo. So, lot of options they are giving. Just click on these blue color buttons. Normally, it will give 3 free opportunities, 3 free applications. So, look at this. So, behind this, we can explain regarding all these things. Here we can take videos and images. Just look at here. Press the camera button. It will convert it into a wonderful image. Okay, just press again. Now it is in the form of image. We can save it or delete. Press the save button for save. If we want to take a video, just press the video button. Again press the video button, it will save it into a video mode. Now it is saving. We can watch how it will convert into a video. A simple process. In this form we can bring, just rotate this one. Now it is okay. So again I will show how to rotate the figure. Just watch the video. So with the simple steps we can take the videos. Also remember how to operate it. Just open the application, then select on particular item you needed. Okay. Again, if I want to choose any other application, any other images, here they are giving one important character. Who is she? Normally in English movies she is coming. What she is doing? Oh. Now she is in my hand. She is in my hand. So like the same, we can take the video. Just teacher should be on camera or in front of the camera. Then we can bring colorful experience. So lot of other additional images are here. Just press the blue button. Spider-Man came. We can, with a single touch, we can move here and there. These characters we can rotate. We can just rotate. So it is one of the simple application for bringing augmented reality. So we can bring more options here. So featured applications are there. Lot of characters we can bring. Just click. Sometimes we have to pay. Lot of free features are also there. So don't forget to work out this application in your classroom. So take more attractive videos with the support of Holo.